All right, so let's do some examples here. We're gonna be finding the segment lengths here. For the first problem here, okay? We got a segment PQ, M is the midpoint. We know that MQ has a measurement of 2 1/3. So what I want you guys to do for me is to find the distance PQ. Okay, see if you're able to do it. Pause the video and see if you're able to do it. All right, so let's talk about it for a moment, okay? They're telling you that M is the midpoint between, and midpoint means that this distance from here to there, MQ, is the same thing distance as this from M to P. So this is the same thing as that. So if this is 2 1/3, this distance is also 2 1/3. All right. So if we want to find out PQ, well, what we know is, well, PQ, or the segment PQ, is going to be equal to PM, segment PM plus segment MQ, because this is the midpoint right there. So this distance and this distance. This is the segment addition postulate, basically. So we put it together. Segment PQ is equal to PM, segment PM, that's 2 1/3, plus MQ, which is also 2 1/3. And if we add them together, 2 plus 2 is 4, 1/3 plus 1/3 is 2/3. So 4 and 2/3. Simple as that, right? So now let's take a look at another problem, a little different. We got a segment VW. M is the midpoint. This is the midpoint here, guys. And what I want you guys to do for me is to find the value of Vn, okay? How much is the measurement Vn from here to there? Hint, okay, before you do anything, you need to find out what is the value of X. See if you can do it. If you're able to do it, and you are ahead of the game here, and pause the video and see if you can do it. All right, again, we know that this is the midpoint. So basically what we know is that BM, segment BM, is equal to segment MW. So what we can do, let me move it up a little bit so we can see it. What we can do here is set them equal to each other, right? So Vn is 4x minus 1. And that's equal to Mw, which is 3x plus 3. Solve the linear equation. So again, we got variables on both sides. We're going to be subtracting 3x to both sides of the equation. This is algebra 101, basically. Stuff that you guys are supposed to know. 3x and minus 3x cancel each other. 4x minus 3x is x. We got x minus 1 equals to 3. And then we got to be adding 1 to both sides of the equation. Negative 1 plus 1 cancel each other, and we got x is equal to 4. Now, that is not the answer. Okay, they're asking for Vn. Okay, this is what you need to get Vn. We know that x is 4. And now we gotta find out what is the value or the measurement of segment Bn. So segment Bn. Now, we know that Bm is equal to 4x minus 1. And now we can plug in the x, which is equal to 4. So instead of having an x, you're going to have a 4 right there. And you want to be finding the value of segment Vn. So Vn, segment Vn, is 4 times, the x is 4. It's a coincidence, but again, it's right there. minus 1. So Vn, segment Vn is equal to 16 minus 1. So segment Vn is equal to 15. All right. I hope that's helpful for you guys. Please do the assignments. And that's it right there.